Hi everybody, my name is Matt.Elliott and I'm here at Guaranty RV Supercenters in Junction City, Oregon today to show you a fantastic new van from a great legendary company in the Class B motorhome industry. They're called Pleasureway. Pleasureway's long been a benchmark for quality in this industry. They're a little company and they're kind of hard to come by as far as finding their rigs out there because they sell quicker than they can build them. Today we're going to look at an OnTour 2.2, which is the newest thing from Pleasureway. And what's really special about this is that it has all of the qualities that they've been putting into all their rigs over the years, but now we're on the new Ford Transit chassis. The Ford Transit has an amazing motor. It's a 3.5 twin turbo EcoBoost. It's economical and very powerful and very fun to drive. The other thing that's kind of cool about getting into something on a Ford chassis is people feel good about being able to find service for these. They're very serviceable and they're very, very reliable. Brand new vehicle with a 3-year 36,000 mile bumper to bumper warranty from Ford and a 5-year 100,000 mile powertrain warranty. So here's something you can buy and start driving and just go like crazy. Let's take a quick look around the outside. One of the things I want you to notice about this is that it is very monochrome. It doesn't look like a big motorhome, and it's all steel. Typically RVs are going to be fiberglass laminated together with various parts and pieces. This is an automobile. You can leave this in your driveway for 20 years and it'll be there when you go back. Don't have to worry about leaks, squeaks, or rattles. It's something I call hull integrity. This has hull integrity. And of course the other thing is it's extremely drivable. Overall length is only 22 feet and it'll fit in an ordinary parking space. So you can use this vehicle in a lot of ways. You can use it as an RV, which you'll see when we go inside. But it can also be a passenger vehicle, it can be a utility vehicle. You can drive it every day to the grocery store and find a place to park. So let's take a look inside and see what you think. So as we look inside this Pleasureway OnTour, the first thing we notice is that everything is really, really finely crafted. In fact, that's always been Pleasureway's real hallmark, is they're a small company that hand builds their products. They're independent. They're one of the few independent companies left in our industry. And they really take the time to build a rig nicely. Everything's finished and tight. They use the most deluxe ultra leather finishes with Swedish memory foam seating areas, and they're wonderful to sit on and to sleep on. Looking to the back, we see that we have a sofa that goes across the back of the coach, and this will actually seat belt 3. So now we've got a passenger vehicle that will seat belt 5 people safely. And at the hit of a button, that power sofa will fold down and make a very comfortable bed, either twin beds or it can be a queen size bed, and we fill in the center bit. There's a great entertainment system with a Bose sound bar, and this also just has a really comfortable social area. There's a table back here that articulates, and I can put it wherever I want. It's very easy to maneuver and adjust, so I can use it a lot of different ways. Now there's some storage. And one of the things about this coach that's nice is that the refrigerator is not down below the countertop. It's up at eye level where you can get to it without having to bend down. And it's got a very, very nice bathroom and a shower curtain and a nice medicine cabinet and all the things that you need. But it's just beautifully done. The other thing that's interesting about this coach is the Galley, because we do have a convection microwave oven, and a lot of small coaches just don't have one of those. They don't have room for it. But this one has a convection microwave. And it has an induction cooker, which is a no flame situation. It actually works great with the lithium-ion battery system. This has a 200 amp hour lithium-ion battery system. It has a Xantrex 2,000 watt inverter system, and this has a 300 watt solar package option that it also has. 300 watts of solar is a lot of solar. Another thing that I love about this coach is that it has the Truma heating system, which gives me a very quiet heater. It's very ambient, but I can heat with either electricity or propane, or even both at the same time if I'm trying to warm up my coach quickly. And the other thing I love about this is the new screen package for the rear and the side screens. I can keep this all screened off, keep the bugs outside, and the way I go in and out of the coach is through a magnetic closure. So when I walk out, it closes itself right up and it keeps all the bugs out. Up front, you've got a beautiful Ford van. It's got all the new technologies. It's got a manual shift override, has the fully integrated GPS navigation, quite a few high-tech safety features. And they're just a joy to drive and a joy to be a passenger in as well. They're a very comfortable rig. I've really enjoyed showing you the OnTour 2.2 from Pleasure Way, and I'd love to talk to you about it more or even show it to you in person. If you have any questions at all, please feel free to contact me directly. My name's Matt.Elliott, and you can reach me at 541-954-8495. Thanks a lot for watching my video. You have a great day.